Speak Now Film Company started small. Relating a good story was the goal. Local weddings, small business video advertising, promoting Ponca City nonprofits. Stay local to the Ponca City market. Work out of their homes during their spare time. A true small business. This was the business plan for twin brothers Luke and Ben Garrison, Ponca City natives. And by staying true to this goal, the demand for their services has grown. And so has their business, with more social media services, larger focused marketing campaigns, wider regional area customers, and hiring their first employee. Another local with a knack for storytelling, Ashley Ballinger. Speak Now could not have started and grown as quickly and efficiently in a larger community. Ponca City has affordable rents, a great support system for small business, and a central location to work larger communities in the Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Wichita markets. Being able to work in the community, build a film media company, and still be home with their families is the best part of finding success in Ponca City.